Good morning or afternoon, whichever it is for you, and welcome to Mr. Bowling's U.S. History class. I'm your teacher, Mr. Bowling, and I welcome you to my classroom. So, very first thing to note is that you are currently on the stream page. Let me go ahead and switch it to the small picture format so we can take a look here. So we are on the stream page right now, and this is the first period. Of course, if you're on a different period, it's going to be pretty much looking the same here. Mr. Bowling is a teacher here. Y'all won't see the Meet code because we do not use Google Meets, we use Zoom. Now your video should be located right around here with a little link to the Zoom. Now scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, we're going to go ahead and notice that you guys have a little Zoom link here which tells you that your first period history Zoom will start at 8 a.m. If you have a different class, it's going to start at a different time. So go ahead and take a look right there and see when you are getting started. This is the link that you guys need to click to go ahead and get into class. Make sure that you can get into it every day so we can get started, get the show on the road, and I can go ahead and meet my awesome history students, say hello, and y'all can learn something, maybe teach me something too. Now scrolling on downwards, we have ourselves the bell schedule. All right. Now your homeroom teacher should have gone over this with you, but if not, let's go ahead and open this thing up so we can take a look. May not look the same as your other teachers because I went ahead and added my own verbiage to it. Here's the deal. Day one should have already passed. That was the bell schedule 2020-2021, August 18th, first day only. So we're going to skip that real quick. Now, the next days, which is where you are going ahead and saying hello to me, August 19th, that is today most likely, unless you're rewatching this video. Homeroom should have been first, 8:10 to 9:10, and then our periods go in following order. 9:14 to 10, 10:04 to 10:50, 10:54 to 11:40. Lunch, go ahead and have something to eat. Don't spend too much time focusing on work here. A little bit of time to relax. And then 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. Now that is only for the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of the first week, so days 2, 3, and 4. When we get to week 2, you should be down here, the bell schedule for August 31st through September 4th, week 2, week 3. You're going to be going from 1st to 2nd, 3rd, 4th, lunch, 5th, 6th, 7th. Now, the schedule will likely change after September 4th because some students will be coming back to campus. So some students will be remaining at home, some will be back to campus. Maybe the lunch schedule changes, but right now, for the next 2 weeks, after the first week, weeks 2 and 3, this right here will be the schedule. This is when you probably need to be getting on the Zoom through your class, getting some work done, knocking something out. All right. If you have questions, go ahead and shoot them at me with an email or a message. Homeroom teacher should have shown you how to do that too. Let's go ahead and back out though of this real quick, and boom. Okay, here's a little intro message down here. Welcome to my class. Watch the video. You're doing that right now. And classwork will be organized by day. So simply go to today's date to find exactly what we should be doing today. All right. Now at the top of this page, you notice there is stream, classwork, people, grades. Okay, you can't see the grades over here. You're going to only see stream, classwork, and people. All right, we've gone through stream. We see it. We understand it pretty well. Classwork, okay? Classwork, this is a pretty empty page so far. Go ahead and ignore this right here. This is something that Mr. Bowling was working on. Needs to remove it. It'll be organized by week. So, well, by day. Intro week will have its own, so it'll be at the very bottom, and then you'll be able to notice that every single assignment will have a day in front of it. 8-20, Mr. Bowling's classroom rules and procedures. Bada boom. If you go ahead and view the assignment, there is a PDF right here. Whoops. Let's go back this out and just take a look at the instructions. Now the PDF is right over here, and you guys can open up this document, take a look at it. This will be for not today, but I believe tomorrow we'll be going over the syllabus and going through that. But yeah, this is a basic look at the Google Classroom, basic look at how things are going to be working for my class. If you need to back out of the instructions, boom, go ahead and click right there. Remember, if you need to switch classes, yada yada ying, they're all right here. Boom. All right, go ahead and send me any messages or emails if you have any questions. Welcome to my class. Mr. Bowling is happy to meet you. Now go ahead and tune into the Zoom, and I'm going to say hello. Y'all are going to go ahead and get a little bit of an introduction. All right, go ahead and end it now.